Light watering and supplemental irrigation are essential components of landscape management that are often overlooked. BTT is a simple add-on device installed on a hose faucet tap that provides wireless automatic irrigation for small lawns, terraces, plants, green walls, flowers, shrubs, and more. Unlike traditional hose-in tap timers, BTT seamlessly integrates with Bluetooth technology, allowing remote irrigation management from up to 32 feet or 10 meters away. This saves users from having to step on or climb around shrubs or delicate plants to access the tap to operate. With the use of a smartphone, BTT programs quickly with the free iOS or Android mobile app. Set schedules and even suspend watering for up to 7 days with the convenient rain delay feature. With 2 modes, timer and cycling, and 2 start times per mode, BTT is the perfect solution for a range of light irrigation applications. BTT is easy to install and includes 2 long-lasting AA alkaline batteries that provide power all season long. BTT is also passcode protected to prevent unauthorized access, protecting schedules and the landscape from unintended watering changes. The in-app cycling mode, which is a repeating program within a water window, is best for drip irrigation systems because the schedules are programmable in intervals of seconds with 24-hour maximum run times, ideal for germinating plant seed. Attach BTT lock, the drip adapter accessory, to the BTT outlet for drip tubing sized from 16 to 18 millimeters. The internal valve, rated at 116 psi or 8 bar or 800 kPa, can operate at flows from 0.0083 to 15 gallons per minute or 0.031 to 57 liters per minute without compromise. BTT is designed for easy, low-level maintenance. The rugged screen filter protects the valve from harmful dirt and debris. The clear silicone push button on the device is used for manual on-off watering and features automatic water shutoff after 1 hour, conserving water and reducing costs in case the system is left on inadvertently. The push button also displays a blinking red LED alert when batteries need replacement. Hunter's Bluetooth Tap Timer allows for essential light supplemental irrigation when in-ground irrigation systems are not available and allows for unlimited wireless device management, maximizing convenience and control from the palm of your hand.